Auntie, if you want to sponsor this video, let me know. I'll hit you with my email. We could talk. We can talk business, Auntie. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Today we making pancakes. Real simple, not too complicated. I'm gonna show you all the steps and how easy it is. First, obviously, you gotta start with the pancake mix, of course. I like the Aunt Jemima buttermilk. You could do a complete video, but people hate on complete pancake mix, so we're gonna start with this. So first you got the pancake mix, then it's the egg, then it's the oil. You can use any kind of oil. I prefer vegetable oil. Then it's the milk. You can use any kind of milk, but that bangs with almond milk. So we hit. Then we have the ground cinnamon, which is optional, but I like cinnamon, so we throw that in there. And then we got our various measuring devices. You don't gotta use these, but I like having precise measurements, so we also here. So the recipe on the back of the box calls for 1 cup of the pancake mix, 3/4 cup of the milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 egg. And then we're gonna mix it all up. Drop the 1 cup. I like putting the almond milk after, or whatever milk you use. And you could do the oil. Let's see if I could crack an egg properly on camera. I'm not too sure. Oh. Oh. And then you start mixing it all up. You can move that aside. You don't need that no more. A nice consistency. You don't want no lumps in there. Then we have my favorite optional step. This is cinnamon. Ground cinnamon, Stop and Shop. What's up? Y'all want to sponsor me? Let me know. You just put a few, as much as you like. I'm a cinnamon-y person, so you know. And you just mix that in there. And now we get to the heating it up. Now we get to the fun part, the stove. So I like not a super low heat, but I'm at around like 2, 3 right now, so it's pretty low. I'm going down. I'll go for 2 for the video purposes. So you like to heat up the pan a little bit. You got your vegetable oil. Put some oil in there. You don't want it too much, but you don't want too little. So you just put, and while the pan is heating up, you just move it around a little bit so it's all over the bottom. Yeah, I definitely put too little. So I'm gonna add a little more. You just want the whole bottom covered in oil. And super, maybe pro tip, I don't know how everybody else does it. A lot of people don't do it this way though. You add some butter, and that helps it not stick. And then also, well, I don't want to give away the secret yet, but you'll see. You don't want too much butter, so I have a lot on my my butter knife right here. So I just get half on there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think that's enough. And then obviously my pan is not hot yet because the butter is still unmelted, but it's getting hot. I think I'm gonna put the fire up a little bit. And you have the butter right there in the middle. I don't know if you can see. I'm just gonna zoom in real quick. Butter, yes, beautiful, love it. All right, and now we put the batter in there. I like mixing up a little bit because it gets a little thicker while it sits. Just mix it up a little bit. And I like the direct pour right in the middle. You don't put too much or you don't put too little. Depends on how big you like your pancakes. Let it drip a little bit because it's gonna drip. And then we wait it out. So you know when it's done, when the top fills with a lot of the bubbles pop. So we have a ways to go. I might fast forward this part. We'll see. You can always check on it, see how it's doing. Take your spatula, just lift at the sides. See, it's nowhere near done yet. Still pretty white. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, go back down. Come on. And you can hear the butter and the oil on the side. They stop popping. Oh. All right, I'm gonna flip it now. Boom. So my favorite part about putting the oil and then the butter is that the edges get really crispy. So hopefully you hear this on the camera. That's the edge of the pancake, which is super crispy, which I love. And it's great, and it's awesome, and I love it. And that's a pancake. And we're gonna let the bottom cook a little bit. Well, not a little bit, enough. All right, I usually just like go like that with the pan just to hear if the bottom is done. So when it's done, it'll dry out and you can hear it really nicely. Edge test. Crisp.
Wait, good peep. I messed up because I toasted it. So I got some batter that spilled over. It's perfectly fine though. It's gonna taste great. It's gonna taste amazing. I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna dip it in syrup. And I'm gonna enjoy it.
I just like to make sure the pan is centered so it cooks thoroughly when I pour through the middle. It's just me though. Y'all don't gotta do that. I'm just giving y'all my way. And with the instructions on the back, you get about I think I've done maybe 6 pancakes before, but you get about 4 to 6 depending on how you pour, how big your pan is, or how thick you like your pancakes. But I think today I'm gonna get let's go with 5. What is this, number 3? Yeah, we're going with 5. Let's see. Let's get all that in there. It's the last one. You can do whatever you want. You can freestyle. Usually my last one is always the biggest, just because I'm lazy at the end. And I just toss all the batter in there. This one's gonna be a big one. This one might be a little difficult to flip, but I'm always up for a challenge. Let's see if it's done. A quick peek. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice and golden brown. Get rid of that excess right there. All right, let me zoom out. Gotta go in. Oh, might get some drip. Oh, too early. That side isn't done. Well, it's done, but it's not like super crisp. Tragic. It's cool though. The first 4 were okay. Look, you can hear it. Well, you maybe not hear it. No, it's weak. And then, yeah, damn. Looks like it kind of exploded. Sorry. Sorry I was impatient. I'm sorry. You were supposed to be so much better. I'm gonna still eat you though, but you know. Sorry. That's the last pancake. Dag.
It's supposed to be good. Oh my gosh, it smells so great.
So obviously you can make pancakes or anything, but for the purpose of this video, I didn't want to make eggs or bacon or anything else. But here we go. You gotta have the cut. I watch many food videos, but you don't see them. So trying to see which is better. You get it crisp, crispy, crispy, crispy. Oh my gosh, beautiful. It's just kind of, I don't know how to do this. All right, there we go. Just the cut. Nice and fluffy. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. But I'm gonna cut it. I'm a fan of Eggo syrup, but today we're doing the Aunt Jemima Butter Rich. Aunt Jemima, Auntie, if you want to sponsor this video, let me know. I'll hit you my email. We could talk business, Auntie. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna use that syrup, but I'm definitely gonna use the syrup as soon as I end this video. All right, y'all, I'm out. These are my pancakes. I hope you love them. I'ma love them. But yeah, that's it. We out.